Imagine a world where every sneeze is a roll of the cosmic dice, a chance to swap lives with an alternate version of yourself. For most, it's an unpredictable quirk of existence, a momentary glimpse into a parallel life before the next sneeze returns them home. But for one man, Dr. Elias Carter, this oddity became an obsession. Through years of self-experimentation and unyielding determination, he developed a method to control the swaps, navigating through universes at will. Each sneeze was no longer a random occurrence but a calculated step towards a universe where he held all the knowledge and power he sought. As he delved deeper, he uncovered worlds consumed by war, peace, prosperity, and despair, all reflections of choices made differently. Yet, with each controlled sneeze, the tension grew, for he realized that his mastery over this cosmic quirk might unravel the delicate balance between worlds, leading to unforeseen consequences that could ripple across the multiverse.